you know, you get a date and this man get a date. So I say, alright, make it two of us come together and drop it 2 play them one day.
Okay.
And here one, we not even charge a double price fee because if you book all, if you get the early bird ticket them, you get them for $65 for 2 play.
Okay.
And that run until I think until the end of this month. So $65 for 2 play them. After that, then we jump up to $80. And then we have our VIP, which are $100. And with that, you get food. With that, you get some meal. With that, so we have food and everything out the same way.
So it's all inclusive.
Yeah, man. We are doing a nice little thing for the people them because you want now.
That's reasonable.
Yeah, me believe so.
Yeah, man.
I believe so.
Reason.
Yeah, man. I believe so, man. For 2 play, because 1 play no while cost you $70, you know.
Yeah.
So if you can come and you can get 2 play for $80.
I'm going to a party the other day and $70. And the party you only required to get 1 drink.
Alright. And you have to go stand up and dance for yourself.
Stand up and dance.
Yeah, man. You have to entertain yourself at party.
So you try to say if you come with your wife, you have to go buy a drink for her.
Yeah, man. So when you come at the show now, you know, say you get a belly full of laughter. We have me name out the people in it. We have Charles Tamlin. Most people familiar with Charles Tamlin, from even Pasa too. Mr. Brinks.
Yeah, man, we know Charles.
Alright, so that man then know Charles live in England, so he might fly over for this, come do this.
Okay.
Alright. We have some locals from the US same way. And then I want to tell you, say boy, CD banging, say boy, you want, you know, say I want to come feature myself on the thing. And I say, you know, say boy, you want my family. I go even a mile further because me a man, me believe in our people.
Yeah.
No matter what. You see, boy, once you say to me, say boy, you have an interest, me can push it even further than that. So me say, you want, come in and show. So CD banging basically I come act. You know, I go come see him, I go and like say boy, him a know him a come act and I make certain say boy, me a pull out everything. So him a come show the people them what him can do because if a man no get a chance, you know, see what a man can do, you know.
I make the people them know about the script. I have...
No man, when they come see what I go on.
Alright.
Them have to forward and then we come see.
Nah, let the
say,
pussy out
no, let it make it pussy. Make it stay in your bag there, so.
Yeah.
Make it when you come and show, trust me, people are going to enjoy the show them.
Yeah.
Believe me when I tell you. If you don't laugh, I guarantee me give you no back on no money.
True.
Me I give you no back on no money. If you don't laugh, me I give you no back on no money. And that show you, as me said, that show you is jam-packed with laughter from start to finish. Last year we do a thing called 4 Bulana Party. Yeah, right. I the same thing we get last year, man. 4 Bulana Party tear down the place last year.
4 Bulana Party.
4 Bulla and a party.
You know, say cocoa bread.
No, man, they want the cocoa bread, man. 4 Bulla and a party. And you never see that cheer so yet. So I say, alright, this year, I say, you know what, we are come back with something again. So we say, alright, watch out, we are forwarding with dirty money.
Dirty money.
Money, Taza, money we are dealing with now.
So, alright. Me not really get too deep in it, because we don't want to let the puss out of the bag. But, once you hear about dirty,
you want a synopsis, man. Let me give you a synopsis.
Yeah.
The synopsis of the play is, alright, you have this brother named Granville. Granville rope wall off one old house for his sister. She migrate to England from Wappy kill Philip and she no forward back in. Now Granville tell him sister say boy him have him girlfriend pregnant for him. So him sister say boy here what? You see if that girl have a child and it's a girl, I promise you for the rest of that child life you don't have to worry about nothing.
Yeah.
Because we take care of her.
Yeah.
When the baby born, the baby is a boy.
Okay.
Grandville say, right, me can't make all of this money go down to waste. So I have to find a way to make certain say, boy, me keep the money here coming.
Yeah.
So he farm up a little thing and he say, boy, here what happen? When she ask him what kind of baby, he say, you know, say it's a girl. So every time now she say, boy, here what happen? Send me a picture. Him just dress up the little boy like one girl and say they go give his sister. And from that I saw it go until the sister decides say boy alright here what happen now. Me I come to Jamaica come look for it, you know.
Pull up a foot.
And that's how the thing go down, man. So if you don't want to, you don't have to forward in come see what I go on.
That's
so
so interesting.
I'll be a madness and laughter, man.
That's so interesting,
Yeah, man.
brother.
Yeah, man.
It remind me of thing I see on the internet. I think yesterday one of them did there with this bridging in there in Jamaica. The woman in America, yeah. understand? Them come together and say, alright, we want to build a house.
Alright.
And him say, alright, house, mama.
Mm-hmm.
Mama send money like sugar.
Yes.
Come
Yes.
give.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And the man just buy some black.
Alright.
And just pile them up together. And do a little snapshot and see that foundation.
Alright.
A bill and take a mama money.
Yeah, man.
Mama
Yeah,
find
man.
out there is no house.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So,
I scamming, man.
and the similarity.
As trust me, dirty money,
My boy, I tell mommy, say, yo,
it there.
the daughter there, man.
And she have to fuck, cause here what now. She kind of running a piece of sickness, cause from she left Jamaica, she not go back.
Okay.
So she running a piece of sickness, and she decides, say, boy, here what, you know, say before me left the earth, me I come see that little girl, yeah. Which in terms now a big woman now, cause a long time she a take care, right?
Yeah.
But all them time your money I send, you nah see nothing, I just but him forward in now. So my man really right now, him have to cook up a little plan for say, here what happen. The girl there.
Yeah.
But no girl no did it. Cause not even his son not even talk to him now, cause his son find out say boy he must scam all his own son all these years. I tell his auntie say boy you have a daughter when it's a son you have.
So the son go leak on him.
No man, his son run left him man, so him have to
Okay.
find a new alternative to what go on man. Yeah,
So what him
man.
go do? Him just go find a little girl and pay her
Just find a
some money.
boy. He find a boy, man. I hear what happen now. Me not give it too much I show, man.
Yeah,
I have to come
true,
I have to
true.
come I show come see what
True,
go
it
on.
sound very interesting.
I have to come I show come see what go
True,
on.
man.
And that's how it twist there right there, so you know. Cause everybody I want to know where am I gonna find the daughter now for sure in sister.
Yeah,
And that's how it twist at the play.
yeah.
Right, that's how it twist.
I want
Just
piece of Alabalu go on.
hold on man. Just me man. They show
Oh,
you
my
out
word.
of this
Me
way.
can't wait. That when you say again.
The 20th of July, Lauder Hill Performing Arts
You see,
Center.
when you say 28, you know, some people will check say 28.
No, alright. So it's 20.
Yeah,
20.
July
20
the
of
20.
July.
yeah.
But you know what, Judy, that's how we kind of say things different. We say 20th,
Yeah.
you know. So at July 20, Lauder Hill Performing Arts Center.
Yeah.
You know, if you want more information, just call 929-476-4882. 929-476-4882. All the information you want. Or if you want to purchase your ticket, then you can go up on the Lauder Hill Performing Arts website and you can purchase your ticket then right this or see them.
So what time show start?
Show start 5 o'clock. First show start 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Each show lasts for 2 hours. Next
Okay.
show after that same way.
Okay. So by say probably 12 you can sign up.
No man, 12 o'clock we are come out there before 12 o'clock man. By 10 o'clock, 10:30, show then wrap up.
So no intermission.
Yeah
or
man,
something?
intermission, 15 minutes intermission for everything. But if the people them a laugh, you know, say it might extend a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
But by 10:30 we out there man.
Alright, so you say Lauder Hill where?
Lauder Hill Performing Arts Center,
Performing
right
Arts
off of
Center.
441.
Yeah. Enough people supposed to know that.
That's what
So.
you talk about, man.
If you don't know that, so well, me don't know.
Yeah,
You don't know.
And if you no come out, come watch last year, you no come see 4 Bulana Party. And me see him one right 4 Bulana Party. You see me I say, and I me right that one you see him. So
Yeah.
you don't know say thing of it. We see this say it banging.
Yeah. So you tell me earlier on when the break the dog go on, say you have a look at trivia.
Yes.
You want to give a 2 tickets.
Me I give you 2 tickets, man. Cause you know so we can't forward on the show and we not give you something.
Yeah.
So here what now, if you want to win yourself 2 tickets to come see Playfest, 2 play, 1 day. Me mention 2 play, well more than 2 play.